Hello everyone, my name is Jeremie. Welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to make a yummy green drink. Here's a blender my mom will operate it. In our green drink we're going to add pineapple juice, ice, chia seed. I have frozen avocado, organic spinach, some banana, and pineapple. First, we're going to add the pineapple juice. Then the ice. Then one banana. Now we're going to add the frozen avocados. Now I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of chia seeds. And now for some yummy spinach, organic spinach, baby organic spinach. And last, some pineapple chunks. Now I'm going to cover the container and my mom is going to blend. Boy, I can't wait to have my yummy green drink. Now our green drink is ready. Let's pour. Let's have some yummy green drink. It's yummy with the banana and the chia seeds and everything. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And I hope you try this recipe.